C sharp. Wow. So using system and using system dot collections dot generic. This method that removes every second element from the array. Okay, we'll create a list to store results. Just create a list to store results by doing list results. Then we'll loop through the array. Loop through the list, stopping by 2. So this is some similar thing we did for JavaScript and for Java, the for loop. What we'll do is this. So we'll do the for loop by saying for int I was 0, then I is less than array dot length, then I increment I increment 2. Come down and do the curly brace, break it down. No. This one back here. We say results dot add array I. I'm done with that. Leave the for loop. I come after the for loop and do convert it back to the array. Then just convert list back to an array and return result to array. Oh, me now. Pastor boy. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Then show error. Object does not contain a definition for length. Not accessible. So length. Did I spell the length well? Sorry, it's caps lock. So they're all case sensitive. LENGTH. Let's see again. All right. Woo! It went. Okay. As for C sharp.